to another video on the Automatiko. Today we are going to look at a feature that is coming with the 0.4 upcoming release, and that is around the management of user tasks to make sure that we can easily interact with the task assigned to human actors. For that, for today's demo, we will look at the vacation request example that is documented as part of the Automatiko examples. So it's as simple as allowing employees to request vacation days that needs to be approved by managers, and at the same time employees can cancel their vacations before they actually started. So there are two workload definition. One is the main one that is assigned to an employee, and the other one is that is executed for each request, and that handles the entire request from being requested, approved, and potentially being cancelled as well. So let's grab quickly a example. So let's run our service. So this will spin up a service that is fully configured with the information from, let's clear this one, from the workflows. So let's grab here. This is our example. We can take a look as well at the management UI of it. So if we look here, let me just right, that's the one. So we refresh it. So we have one instance there. We can take a look. So it's assigned to Murray. You can see that we already have the instance running. No vacation request yet scheduled, so no sub processes, no user task assigned either. So for that, let's look at additional features. So this is a WebSocket endpoint that we can collect as John. This is the manager. So we connect here, and then we can quickly switch to pretty much the same thing, but then use as Mary, who is the employee, and connect to this as well. So now we can just grab and send a vacation request. As you can see, we're sending it to our instance, so we're submitting it with the information about when it starts, when it ends, and the length of it, and a key that allows us to simply identify what it is. So if we just drop this one and we go back here, so we can see that we immediately get the vacation cancellation of the vacation request for Mary, who is the employee, and we got an email. Emails are sent to each user task, or for each user task, and they simply are responsible for giving you the information that yes, you've been assigned a user task, but there are no revealing any inputs or information out of the user task. Right, and then we simply look at this one. So we have a John that got this as well. So if we now just jump here, we get immediately a customized user task form that shows us information now, the relevant parts, who is actually requesting the vacation request, what are the details, and we have the options to either approve or reject. If we look at the task for Mary, who is the employee requesting that, we have pretty much the same feature here. So if you look here, we have the options to cancel it. And as you can see, even though they have pretty much the same look and feel, but they reveal different set of information. So here is dedicated to cancellation of the request, and here is the vacation approval. So let's approve that. So we immediately got the form saying that it was properly assigned, and if we look back here, the task is gone because it was completed. If we look at another example, so let's drop another one. So let's say day off, and we just simply say that it is in November instead of December. The same length, just one day, and we just send it there. And we can see again we have the manager approval, and we have a task assigned here, and again emails being sent out. So we have another. So as you can see, this is still active because the manager approved, but we haven't done as Mary no operation, but we can look at this one. So okay, let's grab here. Okay, so we have the cancellation day off. Yeah, we decided that we don't want to take this day off, so we can simply cancel that. As you can see from the email, inbox or task inbox of the manager, who's John, the task immediately disappears because that work is no longer important or no longer valid as the request was cancelled. So let's quickly go back to our management part. So if we just refer that is, we have this one instance. As you can see, the tags here are very useful as well, because they first say who is the requester, who is the manager, and how many days of vacation has been already used. We can take a look at the details. So you can see the instance data immediately, the tags that I just described, vacation request. As you can see, the day off is not approved but it is cancelled, and here we have the vacation which was approved but it is not cancelled, with the information about the vacation eligible days and so on, and how much of them were used. Everything is tracked immediately by the workflow instance, and here we have the vacation. This is the request that is still ongoing. We can take a look at those as well. Again, you can see that the manager has approved, notification to the employee has been issued as well, but it still stays here that the user has the employee has the options to cancel it at any point in time, as long as it did not reach the date when the vacation starts or the day off starts here. So this is where this will immediately cancel and no longer will have Mary will no longer have an option to cancel the vacation that is already started. With that, I would like to conclude this show demo, and stay tuned. This is going out with the 0.4. Thank you very much.